The hospital waiting room was filled with a tense silence. Maria clutched her daughter Sophia's hand, her heart pounding. Sophia needed urgent care. They had been waiting for what felt like an eternity. Every tick of the clock amplified Maria's fear. Maria had rushed Sophia to the emergency room. The triage nurse quickly took Sophia back for an initial assessment. Yet, hours later, they were still waiting. The delay was agonizing. Maria saw the worry etched on Sophia's face. She felt helpless and frustrated. The hospital felt like a bureaucratic maze. Every parent knows the feeling of dread when their child is sick. Every minute feels like an hour. Families need reassurance, action, and care. On the other side of the door, doctors and nurses worked tirelessly. Their dedication was unwavering. They had chosen their profession to heal, to comfort, to make a difference. Yet, they were bogged down by administrative tasks that took them away from their patients. Insurance verification was a major source of frustration. Manually checking policies, contacting insurance companies, and navigating complex paperwork consumed valuable time. These tasks pulled nurses and doctors away from what mattered most, their patients. The burden of administrative duties weighed heavily on healthcare professionals. It led to burnout, stress, and moral distress. They entered the medical field to care for patients, not to battle paperwork. The healthcare system should empower these dedicated individuals, not hinder them. We must streamline processes. We must reduce administrative burdens. We must allow our healthcare heroes to focus on what they do best: healing. Insurance verification, while necessary, often becomes a bottleneck in the patient care journey. The traditional process is time-consuming, prone to errors, and fraught with inefficiencies. This outdated system creates unnecessary delays in treatment, impacting patient outcomes and satisfaction. Imagine a critically ill patient arriving at the emergency room. Every second counts. A delay in treatment, even due to something as seemingly mundane as insurance verification, could have life-altering consequences. The current system also places a significant administrative burden on hospital staff. Nurses and administrative personnel spend countless hours on the phone, verifying coverage and navigating complex insurance policies. This time could be better spent providing direct patient care. The stakes are simply too high to rely on outdated and inefficient processes. We need a better way. We need a solution that prioritizes patients and empowers healthcare providers. Section 4: Automated Verification, a beacon of hope. Fortunately, a solution exists: automated insurance verification. This technology has the power to transform the healthcare experience for patients, families, and healthcare professionals alike. By leveraging the power of technology, we can streamline the verification process, reduce errors, and ensure timely access to care. Automated systems can verify insurance coverage in real time, eliminating the need for manual checks and phone calls. This means patients like Sophia can be admitted and receive the care they need without unnecessary delays. For healthcare providers, it means less time spent on paperwork and more time with patients. Imagine a world where hospitals can operate with increased efficiency. A world where healthcare professionals can focus on what they are truly passionate about: healing. Automated insurance verification makes this vision a reality. Section 5: A Brighter Future, Transforming Healthcare Together. Automated insurance verification benefits patients and hospitals. It creates a more efficient, cost-effective, and patient-centered system. Hospitals can reduce costs and improve patient satisfaction. Professionals experience less burnout, providing better care. Patients like Sophia and families like Maria have peace of mind. They focus on healing, confident in their care. It's not just about saving time, it's about saving lives. Restoring the human connection in healthcare. Let's build a brighter future for healthcare together.
If you are looking for outsourcing services, schedule a demo today by visiting www.staffingly.com or emailing us at support@staffingly.com or call us on the number 1-800-489-5877.